That brake hold system problem message just appeared. Before you go to the mechanic, try this first. Most of the time, this isn't a serious failure. The system turns itself off when it detects something unusual, usually low battery voltage, or a temporary signal issue. Start with the battery. If it's weak, or was recently replaced, that alone can trigger the warning. Turn the car off, let it sit for a minute or two, then start it again. If you're comfortable doing it, disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 5 minutes, reconnect it, and restart the vehicle. Now check the dashboard. Make sure the electronic parking brake fully releases. Engage it once, release it again, sometimes that's all it needs. Then just drive normally for a few minutes. Keep it smooth, no tight turns. The system often resets itself once it sees normal wheel speed signals. If the light is flashing, it usually means the system is trying to correct itself. If it stays solid, you could be looking at a wheel speed sensor, a brake pedal switch, or something related to ABS. And if the ABS light is on too, they're connected. In many cases, this clears without any scanner. Let me know in the comments. Is yours flashing, or staying solid? And what car are you driving?